Welcome to 1125 Chartel Circle. This nicely updated 3-bedroom, 1 full bath home, the covered front porch, luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring inside, as well as stainless steel appliances, sits on a corner lot, and it's in the Crane Creek area of North Columbia, convenient to I-20 and downtown Columbia. So we're outside. You can see you have a pretty nice size lot. It's on the corner. Nice size front yard with a 1-car driveway leading up on the left side. Nice covered front porch along the front of the house as well. So front door's up a few steps here. And then as we step inside, you'll notice the luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring that is throughout the inside with the exception of the bathroom. Nice neutral paint throughout as well. You can see the living room is right off the entry, and it's been opened up to the dining room and kitchen, so nice open floor plan in the main living area. You have a coat closet in the entry there as you come in as well. Again, the nice size dining area here. Open to the kitchen, which has an included stainless steel refrigerator and electric range, white cabinets, and dark countertop. Just out the back door, you have just a small covered back porch that goes out to sort of the side yard and out to the back as well. And then back up this way, you do have on the exterior the laundry hookups in here. Apologize about the light. So full-size washer and dryer connections in here is where the water heater is as well. And there is also some shelving in there. Back inside, you can see just a view back towards the front door. And then on down the hall past the kitchen, you have your full bathroom off to the right. So you have tile flooring in here, single vanity medicine cabinet, and some lighting above, as well as an updated tub enclosure and shower. And then you have 3 bedrooms in the home, 2 facing the front and 1 sort of rear facing in the property. You can see here it's 1 of 3. The closet is there in the corner on the left side as you come in. Bedroom 2 facing the front as well. And you have a linen closet at the end of the hall here. And then last but not least, that 3rd bedroom on the back corner of the house. And the closet's here behind the door. So that completes our tour of this home, 1125 Chartel Circle in North Central Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.